Software licenses are numbered and may be very costly, as well as require an additional budget for personnel training. On average, 80% of software users only utilize 20% of the software functionality due to lack of time from daily tasks. As a result, companies are not getting their full ROI from the software and at some point stop using that software. At ZAP, we provide you with maximum results of your testing process. ZAPTEST offers unlimited licenses and ongoing expertise. ZAPTEST is a high-efficiency, functional, and performance testing software for UI and API validation cross-platform. With ZAPTEST, you can automate testing of any application, meet any development schedule, and accommodate any personnel skill set. Unlimited licenses are offered to ZAPTEST Enterprise users through Software Plus Services onboarding. How does it work? It's very simple. ZAPTEST will engage one ZAP expert remotely as your full-time consultant. We will be providing unlimited licenses of ZAPTEST Enterprise Edition to be used by your team for any type of testing. The key benefits here are that you can construct any testing process based on your application technology, release cycles, and team availability without worrying about the number and type of licenses per task. And you will have a tool expert on staff that will assure efficient implementation of software, coaching of your team, and generating the highest ROI of your test automation. So what are the main advantages of ZAPTEST offerings? Unlimited licenses, ongoing expertise, continuous test automation. Request your ZAPTEST demo today.